Welcome. As you settle in for the night, give yourself permission to let go of the day. This is your time now, a time for deep rest, for healing, for complete peace. Begin by taking a gentle breath in and hold it and breathe out slowly. Let your body melt just a little deeper with each exhale. And again, breathe in deeply and out, and allow your breath to soften like a slow tide washing in and out. Let your eyes gently close and imagine yourself being carried effortlessly to a beautiful, safe, secluded beach. You arrive just as the sun is beginning to set, casting soft, golden light over the waves. Picture yourself standing barefoot on warm, silky sand. The beach stretches wide and welcoming you, curving gently like a protective arm. There's no one else here, just you and the soothing rhythm of nature. Breathe in the fresh air. Can you smell it? That clean, slightly salty scent that tickles your nose and makes you feel alive. A hint of wild flowers grows in the dunes behind you, subtle and sweet. You begin to walk slowly, barefoot. Each step is easy, and feel the warm grains of sand shifting underneath your feet, soft and grounding. Every step calming your body more and more. Now listen, can you hear the waves? They roll in and out in a slow, sleepy rhythm, like the earth is breathing just for you. And higher up the beach, gentle grasses rustle in the soft breeze, a soothing whisper in the distance. Seagulls call lazily overhead, but their sound is peaceful and far away. You find a perfect place to rest. A soft, sun-warmed patch of sand near the shoreline. And you lie down comfortably, and the sand supports you completely, and it molds to your body, holding you safely. The warmth from the ground soothes your muscles, Your shoulders soften, your jaw unclenches, and your chest rises and falls with ease. Everything slowing down now. Let yourself drift deeper as you gaze out at the horizon. The sun is now a deep amber orb, dipping low, casting glimmering trails across the water. The sky above you changes colour, soft peaches, dusky pinks, and gentle indigos. Cool, calming twilight begins to settle in, like a soft blanket wrapping around your shoulders. You notice the taste of salt on your lips, just a hint, carried on the sea air. Clean, refreshing, natural. The breeze brushes over your skin, cool but not cold. It strokes your cheeks, plays gently through your hair, a loving, peaceful touch from the wind itself. Let your body become still. Let your thoughts drift like clouds passing slowly through the sky. There's nothing to hold on to, nothing to resist. Only the rhythm of the waves, the safety of this moment, and the sense of being completely cared for by nature. You are safe here. You are supported, and you're allowed to rest. The tide continues to ebb and flow like your breath, in and out, slower and quieter. You might even feel your body rocking gently with the ocean, as if you're floating, weightless. And now you notice the stars beginning to appear one by one, like little lanterns in the sky, each one twinkling just for you. They shimmer above the sea, mirrored in the water's surface. Everything calm, everything in harmony. And with every breath you take, you fall deeper into rest. Your body knows exactly what to do. It's healing now. recharging, releasing, repairing every cell, every muscle, calming and resting. As the night gently embraces you, you may notice a glowing moon rising above the waves, a silver, soft light, like a lullaby for your soul. Let go now. Let the world fade. You're safe. You're loved. You're whole. Sleep is coming easily and gently. And as you continue to drift into the deepest rest, your dreams will carry you exactly where you need to go. Let sleep take over now. Let it cradle you like the ocean cradles the shore. Good night. Sleep well. You are at peace.